Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about the latest iOS 18 features. So now we are going to discuss about the feature of call recording on iOS 18. So basically iPhone has introduced the latest iOS 18 update on their devices. So if you want to upgrade your device to latest iOS 18, you have to simply go to settings, and after that you have to scroll down and you have to simply go to general and you have to simply check for software update, and after that you can simply install the latest iOS 18 update on your device. And now if you want to check for a call recording feature, so how you can check that? If you go to setting and if you search for call recording, so here if you search for a call recording, then there will be no option available as a call recording. So how you can get that feature? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you have the phone app on your iPhone. So here you have to simply go to apps, and after that you have to simply look for the phone apps on your iPhone, and after that you have to simply open that. And if you scroll it down and check for all the detail, then you will not find any call recording feature in phone app also. So how does it work, call recording feature? So it will work when you call someone on your iPhone, then on dial pad or call pad, you will show a recording feature, which means when you start a call, there will be option available that you want to record a call or not. Then that button will be available when you call someone on iPhone. So in this way, you can simply get a call recording feature on iPhone, and it will be not shown in any settings like that. So it will be available in when you call someone on iPhone. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos,